When NotebookLM has been everywhere lately, finding the right tools is actually worth using. I spent time exploring it, and here's what really stood out slowly.
Getting started is simple. Just create a new notebook, and you'll have one place to collect your sources, notes, and AI conversations. Now it's time to add your sources. You can upload documents or connect supported content, giving NotebookLM the information it needs to help you. For this demo, I'm using an official Microsoft PDF. Once it's uploaded, NotebookLM begins processing the document and gets it ready for analysis. Once processing is complete, the document is ready. Now you can ask questions, generate summaries, or explore the information in different ways. With the document ready, let's ask NotebookLM for a quick overview. Instead of reading every page, it can quickly identify the main ideas and key information for us. Within a few seconds, NotebookLM generates a well-structured summary, making it much easier to understand the document before diving into the details. The summary is helpful, but this is where NotebookLM really shines. You can ask follow-up questions and get answers based on the document you uploaded. The response is clear, well-organized, and easy to follow. Instead of searching through dozens of pages, you get the information you need in seconds. So far, we've only been using the chat, and it's already been incredibly useful. But over here, the Studio panel unlocks even more ways to work with the same document. Before creating the audio, you can customize how it works by choosing the format, language, length, and the sources you want to include. If you're preparing a presentation, there's also a slide deck option. It helps organize your content into a presentation-style format, giving you another way to work with your document. There's also a video overview option. It gives you another way to explore your document, making the same information easier to understand in a visual format. You'll also find a mind map option in the Studio panel. It's designed to organize information visually, making it easier to understand complex topics and key connections. There's also a reports option, making it easy to turn your research into a more structured format whenever you need a clear, organized overview. Flashcards are another helpful feature, especially if you're learning something new. They make it easier to review key ideas without going back through the entire document. The quiz option is another useful learning tool. It helps you check your understanding by turning your document into simple questions you can review at your own pace. The infographic option gives you another way to present information visually, making key points easier to understand and quicker to review. The data table option organizes information into a clear, structured format, making it easier to compare details and spot important patterns.
Overall, Note is a powerful tool for anyone who works with research, notes, or long documents. It makes understanding and organizing information much more efficient. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.